Namaste. Today I am making prawns fries. For that, first I am going to marinate these prawns. So I am using half teaspoons of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Salt as per taste you can use. Then half teaspoon cumin powder, then coriander powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder I am using. This coriander powder and cumin powder I roasted and I grind it. So this is homemade powder. Then 1 teaspoon chili powder. Chili powder also you can use as per your taste. And I am using 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic and green chili paste. So now this paste I am using 1 tablespoon. Now we have to mix this, and I am also using little lemon juice. If you want, you can use pepper powder also. So now I am going to marinate this for half an hour to 1 hour, like that I am going to keep. So friends, now after half an hour I am going to fry these prawns. Little cumin seeds I am adding. Now I am adding onion and green chili. So for 3 to 4 minutes we have to saute this onion. We have to cook. Once it is cooked, then we can add the prawns. So after 4 minutes, now I am adding the prawns. So now adding few green chilies. So now I am going to cover this and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let this masala dry nicely. We have to cook this till all the masalas will get dry. So now this prawn is ready. Spicy prawn fry is ready. Adding little coriander leaves. So friends, you can see my spicy prawn fry is ready. So you can have this with lunch. So I hope you will like this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much. Take care.